everybody!
Hello friends. Welcome to our 30,000 kilometer point of view video. In today's video, I overtake a slow car. Bird gets stuck behind slow traffic. We get an open highway and christen it with flames at every shift. We put the golf art to the test. And we do some wet night mountain runs. We would love to share these moments with our fans. So, if you have a decent sounding car and are in the Westville Pinetown area, hit us up in the comments. No racing, only boost cruising. Your power or speed do not matter. Awesome! Now onto our video.
SpongeBob, I see him!
What's he doing?
He's just standing there, menacingly!
Just in case you missed it, we installed a new HKS intake over the December holidays. As it was service time, the old filter had to be replaced. But wow, does the spool sound great now? Unfortunately, our PC with the majority of the videos and photos gave up on the start of the new year. As such, we do not have all the nice videos we wanted to share. Here are some of our favorite moments from the videos we do have.
Is making all that noise. Oh my god, it's a loud car.
Nah, it's more than a loud car. It's personality. Weather forecast, 100% bitch is wet.
Notice me, senpai! Notice me!
What part of forward do you not understand? Is it the F for fucking forward? Pick a lane, bitch!
Hi guys, hope you guys enjoy the new camera angles. Let us know in the comments what you think the best camera angle is. Maybe there is a better angle we cannot think of. We look forward to hearing from you. Some awesome things happened these holidays with Jolene. Unfortunately, we had none of the videos backed up. So, with the death of my hard drive, we lost all the footage and even the programs. This is why there has been such a pause in videos made and released these last few weeks. Don't worry, my new PC is almost set up and then I will try and recover these vids. For now, please enjoy this.
Thing is a problem. Maybe this door open. Can you open it? My hand doesn't have like this.
Maybe just leave the
I
chair.
will pay thank you when I get. Sorry, I'm
They didn't make these cars for tolerance like you, eh? I'm sure we would. Just trying to get the camera to not fall on our heads while we're driving today. Why? What's in the way? The steers.
A few inches later.
This is my favorite stretch of mountain road. I hope you enjoy this, as much as I enjoyed making it. I hope to meet up with you all for a boost cruise here someday. Until then, enjoy this POV. I will see you all in the comments.
words are ludicrous. Move, bitch. Get out of the way.
That's what it was. When it hits, I don't know. No, that's a Mini Cooper. And it's not fast, I'm just scared because it's raining. Yesterday, when we came home and it spun like that, I realized like this car's quite scary in the water.
Yeah, I'm very scared of this car. Especially when braking.
Yeah.
Like when I know it's raining and I know like how much power this car has, I start braking from a lot further away.
Yeah, exactly.
3 days later.
The roads are dead.
Beautiful.
Oh wait, there's more.
We really hope you guys enjoyed the video. We
What's
look
the
forward to
OPC?
seeing you in the comments.
Also OPC.
And it's a red.
Soon the PC will be back up and running and the videos will be high quality again. We promise.
Yeah. Let's go catch him.
We hope you had a great holiday and look forward to seeing you on the road.
What is that?
Let's go.
Please like,
Fox.
share, and subscribe to help us grow this awesome community. Share a good message to uplift someone who may need it. Last but not least, thank you to all our subscribers. We can't believe how great this community is and how fast it is growing. We will do our best to keep up the high quality vids. Until next time.